Hi everybody, Jancy.
Denise Richards and the lovely Lulu.
Welcome back to another All Things Home.
All things home and all things fun.
All things home, all things fun. And today, all things Christmas.
Yes.
Merry Christmas to all of our wonderful viewers, subscribers out there. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that for us because you know what? That would be a great Christmas present.
That would be a great Christmas present. Like and subscribe.
Just hit the like on this video, hit the subscribe. If you want to give us a little extra stocking stuffer, make a comment below. It helps us a ton.
I also want to say Happy Hanukkah.
Do you?
Yes, and happy holidays to those who don't celebrate Christmas.
Okay, there you go. That's
Check.
exciting. All right, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So here we are a few days before Christmas recording this video for you guys because Denise and I do not take off. We never quit.
Never quit.
So if you have a home you need to purchase during the holiday season, reach out to us. We would be glad to help you because we're working, preferably not on Sunday the 25th. But if they did...
I think last year you said no to the 25th, and I said if the phone rings, yes on the 25th.
There you go. So this
But today is December 22nd.
That's right, December 22nd. And there's some cool things about December 22nd. Do you know anything cool about December 22nd? Any national holidays
I know it's National Sangria Day.
Oh, National Sangria Day.
Doesn't everybody know that?
It's on my calendar, National Sangria Day. Red sangria, love it.
For Christmas.
For Christmas. And then after your red one, drink a green one if they make green sangria. I don't know. All right, this show just hit the alcoholic beverage.
Yes, maximum. And what else is it on December 22nd?
Go Caroling Day.
Yes, that's
now,
right.
I like that
holidays.
a little bit better than the Sangria Day. I love caroling. Our family loves to carol when we have that opportunity. We did a church last week on Wednesday. Our church actually got together and did like a carol Wednesday night sing. It was a lot of fun. And cookies afterwards.
Oh, it's so cool. On the news yesterday, they showed a family who had gone to the fire department, the local fire department, and caroled for the firefighters.
That's fun.
I just thought it was
nice.
so cool. A whole family.
Just taking time out and showing somebody that you care through song, even if
Sharing
the song's not
joy.
Perfect pitch.
Spreading
share
it.
Spread
Yes.
it. Like casting seeds. Just
Yes.
All right.
Okay, what are we going to talk about today, John?
All right, well, first of all, let's talk about what we talked about last week real quick. If somebody missed that, and we talked about points, what are points? And you hit on that real quick.
Yeah.
We'll hit on it real quick today. You hit on it in a lengthy version last week, but just tell them real quick, give them a teaser so that they'll go back and watch last week's video on points. What are points?
Well, sometimes points in mortgages means you're winning, and sometimes it doesn't. But what it does essentially mean is it's the price for your interest rate. You get a lower interest rate, you pay higher in points. And there's a way to do it on a temporary basis and get a bigger buy down. So if you're interested about that, definitely look at last week's episode or give me a call.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you for that. That's awesome. And that would be great. Take a look at that video. And that also, usually those videos pop up at the end so they can see those if you want to go back to that. Today, we're going to talk about also something a little bit mortgage-wise, and that is what mortgage lenders closed in 2022. We're finishing up the year of 2022, and you told me the other day that there were some lenders that really struggled through the year. First of all, why did they struggle, or why did they close, or why did they cut back? Tell me some of those reasons. Tell these guys
There's
some of the
so many different reasons. I don't even know where to begin. But essentially,
the market. Start with refinancing.
Yeah,
What's happened there?
Exactly. So we have, if you look at all of the licensed mortgage loan officers, 25% of those got their mortgage license between the years of 2020, when the refinance boom ended, and 2022. And now they're all falling away. It's similar to '08 when all the lenders who were there all went away. When the market shifts like that and people aren't prepared and ready to pivot, there's a lot of that. Finance of America has closed.
Really?
Movement Mortgage is sizing down.
Really?
Primary Residential Mortgage, where I worked before, they are no longer.
Wow.
Neo Home Loans has aligned themselves with an FDIC bank.
Interesting.
And my license has been changed now, so I can tell you it is Luminate Bank.
Okay.
That's going to give us the strength to be here for a very long time and continue with our mission to change the mortgage industry.
So you think one of the reasons primarily that some of these guys have cut back, either, I think you even told me like Wells Fargo, laid off quite a few people.
Huge layoffs, big mergers, everybody's downsizing. That's a big indicator of what's going to happen.
Well, I mean, what did we have over the last 2 to maybe 4 years? A lot of refinancing because rates were so low, right? So that market in regards to refinancing has pretty much shut off, right?
That's pretty much dried up for the moment. Now that's going to kick back up again. And the problem for the folks that fell away is that they won't be here to see to reap the reward of all the hard work that we're having to do right now, we have to work harder to actually close the loans. And you know what? Through education is the best way, because people need to know what they're doing, especially in a time like this.
Yeah.
Because interest rates are high does not mean it's not time to buy property.
That's right. Because you do have the option to refinance, and rates have moved down over the last, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, something like that. We were banging around 7% or just above, and now we're in the low sixes, I've seen, right? Like 6.3 in that ballpark.
Big difference.
Big difference. And so the refinance, if it continues to go down, the rates, we will see people that will refinance that maybe got a loan at 7 or 7.25.
Or even close to 8.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's kind of high.
Yeah.
So anyways, great. Thanks for sharing that. Anything else you want to talk about in regards to those folks closing
I think
up?
you covered it. I mean, I just think it's really important that when you are talking to a mortgage lender today or a year from now or whenever, that it's a lender that is familiar with your area, familiar with your situation, and has the longevity to be around to take care of you for the next 30 years.
Yeah, and there's a lot of national lenders that don't have a clue. Right? And you see those on the commercials. I see them. Stadiums are named after them. You know, those types of folks.
I love that, John.
Anyways.
Good one.
Market news. I want to give a quick update on the market news. If you're thinking of listing your home right now, I would strongly suggest you just wait a little bit. Here's what I see over the course of the 11 years I've been working in real estate. December 15th through January 15th is super slow.
Yes.
Not a lot of people are shopping for homes. A lot of people are shopping, but not for homes. What are they shopping for? Christmas gifts? Presents, new cars, maybe, things like that. So as you get in close to Christmas, and also people are traveling a lot, of course, this time of year. They're going to see family. And so for people to add on top of their plate purchasing or selling a home, it's secondary to everything else.
The traditional hustle and bustle of the holidays is enough not to add the pressure of buying a house. Or
You got it. You got it. So typically what I see in regards to, and it's easy for us to track that stuff. You can even people, consumers can look online to see how many searches are being done for homes, you know, purchasing, how many people are checking on Zillow, Realtor, all those different websites. But what we see with Showing Time, the app that we use for people requesting showings, it drops dramatically over this time period. So if you're thinking of selling your home, this is probably not the perfect time to list. Could you? Of course, you still can. But here, and again, this is probably more regional for us here. I see that a lot for this area because people really enjoy the Christmas holiday. And then as we get into January, that first week in January, people are getting over their sangria and they've had a good New Year's probably, and they're still spending time with family. They're watching football games and stuff like that. So if you're thinking of listing your home, strong suggestion to you, wait until right after the New Year. That is perfect timing. Now, if you have to move, different story. I'll help you get it on the market. We'll rock and roll. So anyways, my thoughts there. Let's connect them with somebody today.
Maybe could we talk about Julio Francisco?
Julio Francisco. We love this guy. We love him, first of all, because his name's fun to say. Julio.
Julio Francisco.
We love Julio. He is such a sweet guy.
He is such a stand-up individual. And I got to meet his wife. She is absolutely lovely.
She is nice as well, too. She's a hard worker.
She is.
She works circles around us. She's amazing. But so does Julio. He's a great guy. So they have a company that they're really good at. It's a home maintenance type of company. Now, Julio does a lot of the pressure washing.
Pressure washing and soft wash. So like those pool cages, like the white pool cages, takes all of that right off.
Out of here.
Roofs, all of it. Yep.
If you're in the area, Southwest Florida, Marco, Naples, all the way up probably to Fort Myers, I would think.
Charlotte County, I've confirmed. Yep.
Good. Call Julio. We'll put his information below. He will take care of you. He will clean up your home for the holidays. If you have family coming to see you and you want a nice outside appeal around your pool deck, like Denise said, or your front, and you just need a good pressure washing, he's fantastic. Give him a call. Tell him John and Denise send him.
Yep. You may still have a lot of storm sludge all over the sides of your house like I do, and he would be perfect for the job.
Yes, because that storm blew stuff everywhere.
Yes.
Last but not least, thanks for watching this video today. I want to say Merry Christmas from my family to yours, and we are so grateful that you stuck with us over the last year plus. Thank you for subscribing to this. Lulu says Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Talk to you guys later. Have a great week.
Bye.